Hey everybody, what's up? Nikayla Mariah here, your inner child oracle, trauma healer, and spiritual coach. So excited to be here with you today. Today I am answering a really yummy question that so many of you have asked. But before I start, I would love if you would take a moment and go right down there and subscribe to this channel. Every Tuesday and Thursday, I upload a new meditation or spiritual teaching just for you. And by subscribing, you get notified every time a new video comes out. So please subscribe. And without further ado, let's answer a yummy question. And if more come up for you, feel free to write your questions in the comments or wherever. You can reach out to me via email and I will create a video answering one of your inner child, trauma, or shadow integration questions. So the question we're answering today is, what is inner child work? And it's one of my favorite questions to answer. And it's honestly really simple. Our inner children we basically experience all of the ages we have ever been, right? So from the time we're in the womb until we are the current age we are now, we have gotten stuck in certain thought patterns at certain ages when woundings or experiences were created, whether they were good or bad, right? What we have learned since we've been in this human experience gets integrated into our bodies and our personality on a cellular level. And it is our job on this life on earth to heal those different wounding patterns. First thing we have to do is understand them. So our inner child are the different ages of us up until our current age. Normally we have these beautiful young inner children who get wounded and then they turn into wounded adults. So from the womb to 18, we call them inner children. And then 18 to our current age are our wounded adults, and we can slowly start to heal those parts of ourselves. So our inner children are those inner parts of our psyche. So for example, we can look at the different inner children woundings by saying, every time I get in front of people, I feel shy. And we can go back through your childhood and look at when this wound was created, and we can begin to dialogue with and reparent that inner child to heal him or her so that in the current age and reality, we can conquer our fears, right? This happens with trauma and abuse a lot. When we have trauma, abuse, lying, secrets as a child, it creates wounding patterns in adults where there's hardcore codependency, addictions, unhealthy relationships, low self-esteem, eating disorders. I mean, a lot of our adult behaviors are because of unhealed trauma and woundings as a child. Inner child work gives us an opportunity to go back to those ages and give our child the parents it deserves through our own healing. There's a lot of dialoguing with inner child work. There's a lot of deep meditation. There's a lot of being aware of yourself and the way you're showing up throughout the day. It's saying, am I the present healed me responding in this situation, or is my angry 3-year-old present here? And I've actually created a really easy and free tutorial for you to be able to start getting the steps of this inner child work. It's in the comments. You can check it out. It's a 5-day guide to heal your inner child. And for 5 days, I send you emails and videos like this one to give you more understanding of your own inner child. So I invite you to do that. It's absolutely free. And any questions that you have about inner child work, or what the process looks like, or what an inner child is, or how to go about healing, I'm here to answer. Just drop a comment below. And again, subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.